Hello, my dear students. Hope you all well in your home. In this odd situation, we should all to save home and stay home. Here I am Shathirani Sutradhar, lecturer Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Chapter 8, our resource. Today's topics: soil, types of soil, reasons and effects of soil pollution, strategy for conservation of soil. Soil. Soil grows plants which gives us food, oxygen gas essential for our respiration, is also obtained from plants. If there were no soil, plants could not grow and supply of food and oxygen could stop. We built houses, offices, roads, etc. on soil. The major part of valuable energy resource such as oil, gas, coal is extracted from soil. Many useful minerals like gold, silver, iron, etc. are also the gift of soil. The main minerals in the soil are calcium, aluminum, magnesium, iron, sodium. A small amount of manganese, copper, zinc, cobalt, boron, iodine, and fluorine are also present. Moreover, carbonate, sulfate, chloride, nitrate, and organic salt of calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium are also present in soil. Organic substance present in soil are known as human, which is complex substance formed by the combination of acid, protein, sugar, alcohol, fat, oil, lignin, tannin, and other aromatic compounds. Here we can see a chart. It is composition of soil. The role of water present in soil is very important, especially for plant. Water is present in the vacant spaces, pore among the soil particles. The water retaining capacity of soil depends on the pore size. Plant absorb a small part of water through stomata. However, major part of water they need comes from soil through root. Water obtained from soil is basically utilized for photosynthesis, by which plant produced food for them and release oxygen for us. Along with water, the pore in soil may retain gaseous substances which are usually nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Interestingly, the exchange occurs between the gaseous substance present in air and that in soil. This process is called soil aeration. Oxygen also helps to convert water, insoluble mineral, chemically into soluble materials which can be transported to plant. Here we can see different layers of soil, that is A, B, C, and D. The horizon at the top is known as horizon A or top soil. The soil in horizon A is usually sandy, which is we can found in our desert. The second layer is known as subsoil or horizon B. Small amount of human is found in this layer. However, this layer is full of minerals coming from the top soil. The third layer of soil is called horizon C. Soil is produced from rocks through a series of complex chemical reactions. These soft rocks are later on converted into soil particles. Below the horizon C, very hard parent rocks remain. Types of soil. Soil quality is different in different places based on soil composition, color, water retaining capacity, etc. Soil is divided into 4 categories. Sandy soil, that is 1 number. A notable characteristics of sandy soil is very low water retaining capacity. This is due to fact that although the soil was moistened, it could not retain water. Another important characteristic of sandy soil is that it has the largest particle size that lead to better aeration and higher drainage. However, when there is a heavy rainfall leading to waterlogging, sandy soil could be suitable for cultivation because sandy soil does not cause waterlogging. Therefore, plants root do not rot. The main problem of waterlogging in agriculture is rotting of plant root, for which crop production is hampered. Number 2 is silt soil. Water retaining capacity of this soil is higher than that of sandy soil. Unlike sandy soil, silt soil is found to be the most fertile soil, and size of the soil particles is smaller than that of sandy soil. Silt soil contained organic substance and minerals like quartz. Like sandy soil, it is also granular and contain a large amount of plant nutrients. Number 3 is clay soil. The unique characteristics of clay is its high water holding ability. They are sticky and stick to the surface. The soil particles in clay are very fine, and therefore the air space became too small and narrow. The drainage of water from clay is very low, and so waterlogging occurs easily upon rainfall. This soil is used for making decorative handcrafts and even for making jewelries. Number 4. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is created by the combination of sand soil and silt soil and clay soil. The properties of loamy soil depends on the proportion of sand, silt and clay. It has better water retaining capacity. At the same time, the drainage of water also occurs quickly. Therefore, loamy soil is very suitable for cultivation. In addition of 4 types of soil discussed above, there are other 2 types of soil found in some places, and they are peaty soil and chalky soil. Peaty soil is basically formed due to accumulation of decomposed organic substance, and so in this soil the organic content is much higher than other types of soil. The nutrients content in this soil is relatively low, and that is why it is not that suitable for cultivation. Moreover, the minerals, nutrients such as iron and manganism cannot be transported to plant from chalky soil. Here we can see 4 types of soil. It is sandy soil, it is silt soil, it is clay, and it is loamy soil. Soil pH. Soil pH is very important for cultivation. You all know that by measuring pH, we can easily assess whether a land is acidic or alkaline or neutral. Most of the crops grow well if the soil pH is maintained around 7 point. So before starting cultivation, we have to check pH of the soil and land. And if it is found that pH is significantly lower or higher, then we have to take proper steps. On the other hand, some crops like barley grows well in alkaline, which is pH 8. Hence, it is clear that soil pH is very important parameters for cultivation. Reasons and effects of soil pollution. Water and soil pollution are related to each other. The source or activities responsible for water pollution are also responsible for soil pollution. Number 1. Soil pollution by industrial and domestic waste. It is polluted by release of radioactive substance due to many excessive tilt station by mining operation. Strategy for conservation of soil. Soil is a very valuable natural resource. All of our fundamental demands, including food, cloth, and medicine, are depends on soil, directly or indirectly. Such an important resource for our survival is being corroded, and its fertility is decreasing due to varieties of reasons like strong wind, heavy rainfall, strong river current or river bank erosion, etc., leading to soil erosion not only decreases fertility but also destroy the soil completely. We can plant dhoincha, blindweed, types of plant on the bank of the river. If the rivers have strong current, then erosions can be prevented by putting sand bags or concrete blocks. Homework. Explained that why loamy soil is very useful for cultivation. Thanks.